What up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cam, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, a Stitch Fit unboxing. Basically, you sign up with the Stitch Fit website and they hook you up with a personal stylist. You give your size, your height, weight, and all that, and they hook you up with some clothes, what you like, and they just go off your ideas and they play off that a little bit. So right now I'm gonna open up this box here and I'm gonna see what they got me. And we're gonna get into this video. Let's go. Right. Alright. Take the stuff out the box here. Now for the box, they give you a bag here, so whatever you don't like, you just ship it back to them. So I'm gonna put this right here on the side, and this is what I got for the package. We're gonna open it. Right, let's see what they got. Look like they got me some shirts. Look like a little short sleeve collar shirt. You know what I'm saying? Try this on here. This right here, another short sleeve collar shirt, little floral design. Nice for the spring summer look. Okay. This first one right here, I don't know. This right here got little birds on it, so you know, to each your own. I don't know. It's different, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys, and we're gonna get to it. Got some more shirts here. More. It's a little different look still. Collar shirt, short sleeve, you know, for the spring summer look. Nice little shade of blue. You know, they gave me a lot of shirts on this one. Sometimes they give me shoes, pants, you know, depending on what you want. But it looks like I got some shirts and more shirts. Just like a little t-shirt, you know, the casual dress look. Nice little, just throw on something. Nice little gray shirt. You know, nothing too heavy. Nice. Favorite color is gray, so hey, can't go wrong with that. You know, something you can throw on and on the go. So I'm gonna model that. Oh, finally they got some shorts. A little different. You know, a little sky blue. You know, casual look for some Vans or you know Sperry's or whatever. So this is what they got me for my box here. I'm gonna go ahead and try on all these clothes for you guys, and we'll get back to it. All right, you guys, this is the first look right here. White collar, short sleeve shirt. Nice for the spring, summer. I think it's nice. It's different, got birds on it, but I guess, you know what I'm saying, something that I'm not used to, but it's cool though. I like the fit. It fits my body really well, and it's nice. Alright, look number one. Alright, this is look number two, y'all. Another short sleeve shirt here. I like the fit and everything. The colors is cool. Not really my style, but hey, it do. Model the look. Bam. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm trying on all the clothes here. Y'all let me know which shirt down below you guys like. As I said, you can keep the clothes or you can ship the clothes back. Whichever one that I don't pick, I ship back. So let me know if some of them styles fit me. Just let me know what you're feeling. Let me know what other unboxing you want me to do in the future. You want me to do other unboxing, or you want me to do more Stitch Fit or Fashion Over Men's? Let me know, you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video if you want me to do more unboxing. Until next time, at the end of the day, life is what you make it. So why not make it awesome? Peace.